Welcome to day 6 of Cooking with Tati, 5+1. Today I am not cooking. My brother is cooking. My brother AJ is in the kitchen. Yay! I don't have to cook today. I'm just gonna eat. Alright? So before I even get into this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. You know, I'm going to AJ in the kitchen cooking. But first, like, comment, share, subscribe. Day 6. Ooh. Say hi, Andy.
What's up, guys?
Hey, so Andy is making tilapia fillet. Ooh. Okay. And we got beans. You tell them.
Well, I'm making rice and beans, so the Haitian way. So therefore, we gotta boil the beans and stuff like that, and make sure it's well cooked. And here there's the what you gonna
Tilapia fillet.
Yeah, fillet. So I don't know what I'm gonna be doing with the fish yet.
Okay.
It seems like I'm gonna put it under the stove or I fry it.
Yeah, but it looks well seasoned. What did you put in there?
What did I season it with?
Everything. We season everything up in here. Seasoning?
But I'm pretty sure I'm gonna fry it.
It's gonna be bomb. Whatever he does, it's gonna be good. Alright?
Where's the spicy?
Okay, let me get the spicy.
So,
Alright, where is the spicy? So, this is my special hot sauce. Again, it's making it.
Oh my God.
Remember, I told you guys how I made this already. So, this is just hot pepper, garlic, oil, and salt. Okay. Well, guys, there you have it. AJ is in the kitchen today, so stay tuned.
Actually.
We are back.
Yeah, so like I said earlier, I make sure my beans is well cooked. So y'all can see the fire is on. So I have my pot getting chaudière. That's why you say I'm in Creole. Chaudière. So it's getting hot a little bit. Where's the oil? Please.
All right.
Yeah. So well, I don't really like cooking with oil like that, but yeah, since I have to fry the beans.
I got you.
This thing is, yeah, it's hot.
The oil is gonna.
Yeah, it's gonna pop, pop, pop. Shh. Oh, yeah, not bad. Right, yeah. So what I'm doing there, I'm gonna make sure my beans cook. All you say is fry, and then you just fry the beans. Eventually, we're all good.
So what you got there now, AJ?
This is the épice. This is what we call épice, made by Tati.
That's a secret to
That's a
all
secret.
Haitian food.
Yeah, you know. So like I said, I'm a spicy man. So yeah.
Yummy, yummy. It smells so good.
Yeah. Tati don't really like using maggi. I agree with her too.
I cheat sometimes, people. I use Maggi sometimes.
Oh yeah, but okay. So
But I do got some Maggi.
yeah, I want a little bit.
You want a little bit?
Yeah.
Okay.
And I need some salt.
So we got Maggi.
My beans are it's fried there. It's really good there. So I put a little bit of water just to soak in it. And what's going on now?
So what are you about to do now?
What I'm about to do now, I'm adding water in it now. Because it even how much rice we're about to cook. But I know I'm not gonna be cooking a lot of rice. So yeah, there you go.
Okay.
So another thing, personally, I love my rice dry. When I say dry, it means
not sticky.
not sticky. Exactly.
Some people love the rice to be sticky, you know, but he does not. So
So I love seeing when I pull a spoon of rice and then you see
the rice is like
drop. Drop. So therefore,
let me close this. I don't want anybody to get hurt.
so therefore, this is what I'm doing there. I don't put that much water, so I'm gonna let it boil. And if I need some, if I need to add a little bit of salt, probably I'll do it. But I'm gonna let consume everything that I put first and
See what
let it be.
happens.
Let's see what happens.
Okay.
This is my final touch here. Basically, like I said, I want it to taste my way, and it has to taste good. I'm putting in a little salt. Yeah, see? Not that much. A little. Now let me see. Yeah, thank you, sir. You're good. Alright, since my water is ready, I can see how it boil. Ready. And then we go. Another thing. As soon as y'all drop it in there, make sure you
Stir.
Just
Stir it up. Stir it up.
Stir it up. Y'all know why? Because y'all don't want the rice to be
Does it get stuck together?
stuck together. Thank you. Yeah, especially my mom and my big sister, they always cooking and be like, hey, stay here. Watch. So,
It smells so good. Okay.
I need to cover this too. I will show you a technique we use home. Yeah, it's part of the culture. So we have different ways of doing it, but yeah, it's part of the culture. I will do it.
So what did you wash it with? Just water?
Just water.
Okay.
You don't want to use where the
writing
thing is. You use the back of the plastic, and you drop it. And because you don't want the.
Make sure it goes all the way inside, because if it touches the outside, it's
Yeah.
gonna stick to it. Yeah.
Thank you. For some of this. And you know why I put it? I mean, I wet it. It's because I want to cook a little bit faster. So I'll be checking it like every 2 minutes because I don't want. Back at it again. Back.
The rice is cooking, so what about the fish? The people want the fish. I want the fish.
Bam!
So we are frying the fish. So we have
We are
Duri
frying.
Kole at poisson frit.
Man, I need some butter, man. My fish been seasoned, marinating. Thank you for the right word. Since probably like for 3 hours now. And I'm gonna drop my first. Ooh. Yeah. Simple this. I'll be by tomorrow.
This smells so good, guys. AJ in the kitchen. Hey. Get it. Get it. Get it, AJ. Hey. It smells so good.
That's you guys. Woo! Look at that. Look at that.
Are you sizzling on this?
Tati will show you guys.
Let's just look at this fish.
Let me show you the back. Please, real quick.
Oh, look at that. Ooh. Ooh.
The fish juicy.
It is. It is. Guys, I'm about to take a little taste. Don't mind me.
My baby. This guy ain't got none on me. He go like that. Boo.
Guys, this looks, oh my God.
Okay. So I can't
So this is the seasoning AJ used. He seasoned the fish. He let it marinate for about 2-3 hours and then fry it. We got parsley flakes. We got complete seasoning and we got salt-free seasoning. Okay. What are you doing now?
I'm making sauce.
Got there.
I got tomato paste. This is what Haitian use actually.
So basically this is just on the oil that fried the fish, and then he added tomato paste and some water to it. All right, there you have it, guys. Today is day 6 of
CookMas.
yay. So we had Chef AJ in the kitchen today. I did not cook. I did not cook. So so nous manger fin paré. Let me show you guys. Rice. The green rice.
Yeah.
We got the fish. Ooh.
Fish. Check me out.
Okay, so tell them what's your IG?
Andy Jules. Just write my name and y'all see Andy Jules pop up.
You don't have a hand? Okay, we'll figure it out later. I'll add a link below and then I'll add his face. Alright guys, so we're about to eat. Alright, give it a taste. Okay, yeah. Right, so I want to take a taste. Hey, hold this. I want to take a taste.
Oh my God.
Guys.
Let me go sit and enjoy my food.
Bye, y'all.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe.
Oh, wow.
This is good. All right, bye.